Welcome to this complete guide on coordination and response for IGCSE Biology 0610, Topic 14. Neurons are classified into three types. Sensory neurons carry impulses to the central nervous system, while motor neurons carry impulses from the CNS to effectors. Relay neurons are found entirely within the CNS, connecting sensory and motor neurons. A reflex action is an automatic and rapid response coordinated through a reflex arc. This process involves a stimulus being detected by a receptor, sending an impulse to the CNS via a sensory cell, and then to an effector for the response. Synaptic transmission is the process by which impulses are transferred across a synapse, the junction between two neurons. It involves neurotransmitters diffusing across the synaptic gap to ensure impulses travel in one direction. Next, we examine the human eye. Key parts include the cornea, which refracts light, the iris, which controls pupil size, the lens, which focuses light, and the retina, which contains light receptors and sends impulses to the brain via the optic nerve. The pupil reflex and accommodation are adaptation mechanisms of the eye. The pupil reflex, controlled by antagonistic muscles in the iris, adjusts pupil size based on light. Accommodation adjusts the lens thickness to focus on near or distant objects. The retina contains rods and cones. Rods are sensitive to light intensity for night vision and are found throughout the retina. Cones, mainly at the fovea, are responsible for high-resolution color vision. Hormones are chemical substances produced by endocrine glands and carried by the blood to target organs. Adrenaline is a key hormone that prepares the body for fight or flight by increasing heart rate, breathing rate, pupil diameter, and blood glucose. The nervous and hormonal systems both coordinate the body, but they differ in mechanism. The nervous system uses rapid electrical impulses and is short-lived, while the hormonal system uses slower chemical hormones transmitted via blood, producing long-lasting effects. Homeostasis is the maintenance of a constant internal environment, often achieved through negative feedback. Insulin and glucagon regulate blood glucose levels. Insulin decreases glucose while glucagon increases it when levels are too low. The body controls temperature by maintaining 37 degrees Celsius. When too hot, sweating and vasodilation cool the body. When too cold, shivering, vasoconstriction, and hair erector muscles contracting help retain heat. Tropic responses involve plant growth movements. Phototropism is growth toward or away from light, and gravitropism is growth toward or away from gravity. Auxin, a plant hormone, mediates these responses by stimulating cell elongation. This concludes the summary of IGCSE Biology Topic 14 on coordination and response, covering both core and supplement detail. Here are the image sources for the diagrams used in the first part of this video. And these are the image sources for the remaining diagrams used throughout the video.